7 Amazing Health Benefits of Turmeric. Turmeric provides relief from arthritic pain. Turmeric's anti-inflammatory properties have been instrumental in treating osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis. The antioxidant also destroys the free radicals in the body that damage the cells. Anybody suffering from the condition should consume the spice on a daily basis to relieve themselves of mild joint pains and inflammation, though it should be understood that it does not stand as a substitute for medication. Turmeric is good for your brain. There is another power compound present in turmeric that has not been studied as much as curcumin, aromatic turmerone or R-turmerone. Research has found that this compound promotes repair in the stem cells of the brain, the same stem cells that can help in the recovery from neurodegenerative diseases like stroke and Alzheimer's. Studies also suggest that curcumin may help to improve memory in Alzheimer's patients. Turmeric aids in digestion. When consumed raw while suffering from a digestive problem, turmeric can help manage the condition. The major components of the spice stimulate the gallbladder to produce bile, instantly making the digestive system more efficient. It is also known to reduce symptoms of bloating and gas. Turmeric has healing properties. Remember how turmeric used to be every grandmother's pet suggestion to treat any cut, burn or infection? Its natural antiseptic and antibacterial properties make it an effective disinfectant. The powder can be sprinkled on the affected area to help it heal faster. Instead of turning to a pill, the next time you experience an upset stomach or heartburn, try this super spice instead. Turmeric and diabetes. The anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties of curcumin have been found to delay the onset of type 2 diabetes in people with prediabetes. It further helps moderate insulin levels and boosts the effect of medications that treat diabetes. However, it is important to consult a health professional before combining it with strong medication. Turmeric helps boost immunity. Lipopolysaccharide, a substance in turmeric with antibacterial, antiviral and antifungal agents help stimulate the human immune system. Take a teaspoon of the spice powder in a glass of warm milk daily and you'll see it work wonders as it reduces your chances of catching a flu. Turmeric helps your liver detox. Turmeric is known to increase the production of the vital enzymes that detoxify our blood in the liver by breaking down and reducing the toxins. By improving blood circulation too, turmeric is instrumental in promoting good liver health. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe.